In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and www.bybit.com. We'll move step by step, starting from a simple Google search and finishing with pasting a wallet address on Binance, so you can transfer crypto confidently and safely. Begin by opening your browser and searching for bybit.com on Google. Look for the official result that clearly shows bybit.com in the URL, with a secure connection indicator. Click through to open the site. Verifying the address is important to avoid phishing pages that imitate the real exchange. On the Bybit homepage, find and click Log In. Before you proceed, double-check that you're still on the official, secure site. Using a trusted connection and a private device adds another layer of safety. When the login options appear, choose Login with Google. This single sign-on option is convenient and reduces the need to type passwords on multiple sites. If a pop-up appears, confirm that it's a Google sign-in window and that the origin references bybit.com. Select your Google account to complete the sign-in. Once you're in your Bybit account, navigate to the deposit section for the specific asset you plan to receive. Here, we'll use Bitcoin as the example. Copy the Bitcoin deposit wallet address exactly as shown. Take your time here. Addresses are case-sensitive and must match the asset and network you intend to use. If a network option is shown, note it so you can choose the same one on Binance. Next, open Google again and search for Binance. Click the official Binance.com result, confirming the URL and secure connection. Log in if prompted, then go to your wallet overview. This page gives you access to balances and transfer actions in one place. From Overview, select Withdraw. Make sure you're on the Crypto tab and that Bitcoin is selected as the coin you're sending. Now, in the Address field, paste the exact Bitcoin wallet address you copied from Bybit. Confirm that the coin is Bitcoin and the network matches what Bybit showed for that address, typically the BTC network for standard Bitcoin transfers. Address formats can vary, for example starting with BC1, 1, or 3. They must align with the chosen network. Before submitting, review any fees, minimum withdrawal amounts, and estimated arrival times. If you're unsure, consider testing with a small amount first to verify everything works as expected. When everything looks correct, proceed with the withdrawal and keep an eye on your transaction status until it shows completed on Binance and received on Bybit. That's it. Clean, careful, and consistent from search to withdrawal.